If you're looking for an easy way to start investing without the stress of picking stocks or constantly monitoring the market, Acorns might be exactly what you need. It's designed for people who want to invest, but either don't have the time or don't know where to start. The idea is simple. Acorns rounds up your everyday purchases to the nearest dollar and invests the spare change for you. So if you buy coffee for $3.75, Acorns rounds it up to $4 and invests the extra 25 cents. Over time, those little amounts add up without you even noticing. One of the best things about Acorns is how automated everything is. Once you sign up, the app recommends an investment portfolio based on your goals and risk tolerance, and then it just runs in the background. You can also set up recurring investments, like putting away $5 a day, which can really add up in the long run. Plus, all the portfolios are built with ETFs, which means your money is spread across different stocks and bonds, reducing your risk compared to just buying individual stocks. And since the funds are managed by well-known firms like Vanguard and BlackRock, you're getting expert-level diversification without needing to be an investing pro yourself. Acorns also offers banking features like the Mighty Oak debit card, which helps you save and invest just by using it. It even gives you a solid 2.57% APY on your checking account and a 4.05% APY on your emergency fund, which is way better than what most traditional banks offer. And if you're the type of person who struggles to save, their paycheck split feature makes it easy to automatically invest part of your paycheck before you even get a chance to spend it. Now, Acorns isn't perfect. The biggest downside is the subscription fee. The lowest plan is $3 a month, which doesn't sound like much, but if you're only investing small amounts, the fees can eat into your returns. If you're just getting started and only investing spare change, that fee could actually take a bigger chunk than you'd expect. Also, while the automation is great, it doesn't give you much control. If you're someone who likes to have hands-on management of your investments, Acorns might feel too restrictive. Overall, Acorns is a solid option for beginners or anyone who wants to invest effortlessly. It's a set it and forget it kind of app that makes saving and investing almost too easy. If you're someone who struggles to save money or just wants to grow your wealth in the background without thinking about it, Acorns could be a great fit. But if you're investing larger amounts or prefer to have more control, you might want to look at other options.